So let's discuss another kind of problem that is asked in the same exemplar problems for class 6 in maths, ratio and proportion. So question 14 is kind of like a puzzle. So what is being asked is you have been given an empty box with 45 under it, and you have been given an equivalent fraction to that, which is 16 upon 40, and another one 24 upon another blank box. Okay, so the thing is that these are all three of them are equivalent fractions. Basically they have the same basic ratio between them. Only thing is you do not know the number that comes here and it comes here. I'm sure some of you just looking at the problem will be able to solve it, but if you can't, there is an easy way to do it. So the basic thing is you are looking for multiples, right? You're trying to find out, okay, what 16 multiplied by what will make 24, so that 40 can also be multiplied by the same thing. But then in 16 tables, obviously 24 is not going to come, but 16 by 40, if you look at it, you need to work with that. Okay, so 16 by 40 can be reduced further to a simpler form, and I can see that both are divisible by 4. So what will come here?
4 by 10.
4 and 10. Okay, now this is even further reducible because both are divisible by 2.
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
Yeah, so if you divide both by 2, again you get 2 by 5. So by now you should be familiar with this practice. Okay, what I am doing over here, you divide a number by 4 in the numerator, you have to do the same in the denominator. If you do that, then you're not playing around with the number according to the rules of mathematics. That is perfectly fine. So the final fraction that you get is 2 by 5, okay, in the least form. And now you can start solving the problem. So what is it? This is 2 by 5. So you write 2 by 5. Which one do you want to solve first? This one or this one? Your choice. First or second?
First.
First? Okay.
Yeah.
So here is the box and here is 45. So what do I know? I know that this fraction is the same as this fraction, right? So which means all I need to know is what multiplied by 5 will give me 45.
Sir, it should be 18. 2 into 9, 18 upon 40.
18, yeah.
Yeah, the final answer is 18. I got surprised when you said 18. I thought you wanted me to multiply the 5 with 18.
Ah, no.
Okay, so then we get the answer 18. So this number is 18. Now you can apply the same technique to find out this number. Okay, not by using this, but by using the simplified form of this again. So this is step 1. Then step 2, you will say 2 by 5 again, because that is what is the reference fraction for us, is equal to 24 by the box. And this part I won't solve it, I will leave it to you to solve. So using this method, you should be able to solve everything from 11 to 15. Okay, and the only thing is the 13th one, there is a small little trick. It works in exactly the same way, but there's a small little trick. You have to use fractions cleverly, or if you can see it, use decimals directly. If you do that, you will solve that problem also.